Welcome back to Crore Club. I'm your host, and if you're new here, this is the podcast where we help ambitious professionals join the exclusive club of people earning a salary of 1 crore and above annually. But here's what's changed since season 1. The game has completely shifted. While everyone is panicking about AI taking their jobs, a select few are quietly making 2 crores, 3 crores, even 5 crores annually in AI related roles that most people don't even know exist. Today's episode will shock you. I'm going to reveal 5 AI job categories that are paying insane salaries right now in India. And the best part? You don't need to be a computer science graduate to get into most of these. So the question is, will you be part of the AI revolution or will you be replaced by it? Let's dive in. Let me start with some numbers that will wake you up. Last month, I spoke to a friend who works as an AI prompt engineer at a Bangalore startup. His salary? 2.8 crores annually. 3 years ago, this job didn't even exist. Another contact of mine. She's an AI ethics consultant for a major Indian bank. Package? 1.8 crores plus equity. But here's the kicker. Neither of them has a technical background. She was an HR manager, he was in marketing. The AI boom isn't just creating jobs for engineers. It's creating entirely new categories of high-paying roles that require business acumen, domain expertise, and strategic thinking. While everyone is reading headlines about AI will replace humans, smart professionals are positioning themselves to become irreplaceable AI enablers. The corporate world has a dirty secret. They're paying premium salaries to anyone who can bridge the gap between AI technology and business results. And this gap is huge right now. Let me reveal the 5 AI job categories that are paying crazy money right now. Category 1, AI Implementation Strategists. Role, help companies figure out where and how to use AI in their existing processes. What they do? Audit current workflows, identify AI opportunities, create implementation roadmaps. Salary range in India, 80 lakhs to 2.5 crores. Why it pays so much? Every company wants AI, but nobody knows how to start. These professionals are the bridge. Background needed, project management, business analysis, or domain expertise in any industry. Category 2, AI training data specialists. Role, curate, clean, and optimize data that trains AI systems. What they do? Ensure AI models learn from high quality, relevant data specific to business needs. Salary range, 60 lakhs to 1.8 crores. Why it pays well? Garbage in, garbage out. Companies will pay premium for quality data expertise. Background needed, analytics, research, or industry specific knowledge. Category 3, AI governance and compliance officers. Role, ensure AI implementations follow legal, ethical, and regulatory guidelines. What they do? Create AI policies, audit AI decisions, manage AI related risks. Salary range, 90 lakhs to 2.2 crores. Why it's exploding? With great AI power comes great liability. Companies are desperate for risk management. Background needed, legal, compliance, risk management, or audit experience. Category 4, human AI collaboration designers. Role, design workflows where humans and AI work together optimally. What they do? Map out processes, design interfaces, train teams on AI collaboration. Salary range, 70 lakhs to 1.9 crores. Why it's valuable? The future isn't AI replacing humans, it's AI augmenting humans. Someone needs to design this. Background needed, UX design, process improvement, training, or operations experience. Category 5, AIROI measurement specialists. Role, prove and improve the business value of AI investments. What they do? Create measurement frameworks, track AI performance, optimize AI spending. Salary range, 75 lakhs to 2.1 crores. Why companies pay premium? CFOs are spending crores on AI but can't prove ROI. These specialists are worth their weight in gold. Background needed, finance, analytics, business intelligence, or consulting experience. Now here's your immediate action plan to position yourself for these roles. Step 1, pick your lane. Choose the category that aligns best with your current background. Don't try to chase all 5, master one first. Step 2, start learning the language. Spend 30 minutes daily understanding AI terminology, tools, and applications in your chosen category. You don't need to become technical, but you need to speak the language. Step 3, create internal opportunities. Look for AI initiatives in your current company. Volunteer to be part of AI committees, pilot programs, or vendor evaluations. Build your AI resume from within. Step 4, network strategically. Connect with AI vendors, consultants, and early adopters in your industry. Attend AI conferences and webinars. Position yourself as someone who gets the business side of AI. Remember, the window is open now. In 2 to 3 years, these roles will be more competitive and potentially lower paying as supply catches up with demand. Let me leave you with this thought. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. And like every revolution, it's creating massive wealth for those who position themselves correctly. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, it's whether you'll be leading that change or scrambling to catch up. In our next episode, I'll reveal the 5 jobs that AI will definitely eliminate and the 5 new jobs it will create, with specific timelines and salary predictions. If today's episode opened your eyes, here's what I want you to do. First, pick one of the 5 categories I mentioned and spend this week researching companies in your city that might need this expertise. Second, share this episode with 3 colleagues who are serious about their careers. They'll thank you later. Third, connect with me on LinkedIn and tell me which AI job category excites you the most. Remember, the Crore Club isn't just about earning 1 crore anymore. In the AI age, it's about earning 2 crores, 3 crores, and beyond. Until next time, keep climbing.